Hello and welcome, my name is Rana and you're watching Selldone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add and sell virtual products like gift cards. So let's get started. To upload a digital product like a gift card, select Add Product from here and then Virtual. Enter the product name and brand. Since virtual products don't have much information compared to the physical product, you can leave many of these fields blank. Well, continue and go to the next step. Here you can enter the important features of the product. Features can also be entered in the specifications section. For your convenience, it is recommended to write all product information in a Word file so that you can more easily enter the information in the Selldone dashboard. Here, for more help, I put these specifications in both parts. Well, here in the Pro section, I enter the card type and card theme. In the technical specifications section, you can enter complete information about the product. For the products that can be compared to similar products, this section needs to be precisely completed. If you have already added other products, you can use their specifications by clicking on Import. Well, in the Pictures section, you can put the main photo of the product, and in the Gallery section, you can upload more photos if there are any. The Input section is for when you ask the customer for certain information such as the ID of a game. Now I enter the price. In the Output section for this product, I enter the relevant titles. For example, gift card for a variable name. And redeem the code for the title. In the product review section, you can write more details about the product and how to use it, like the expiration date or what it can be used for. Well, I copy and paste the information from the same Word file. Product inventory is the most important section for adding information. Here you can enter those unique codes. Note that each code can be used once. The codes are shown to the customer after each purchase in the panel and email. Here I enter two codes, which means that if the two codes are purchased, the product will no longer exist in the inventory. Now I'm going to buy this product as a test. In the dashboard of this product, there are inventory, sales, financial charts, comments, and ratings. On the product purchase page, I can see the type and brand as well as the specifications that I previously entered in the pros and technical specifications. Now I buy this product with a Stripe test card and see what's going on. According to the information on the Stripe site, I can write the number 42424 times for the card number, enter a valid date in the date section, and enter a 3-digit number in the CVC section. You can enter your desired address and zip code in the fields. Here on the customer order page, the codes related to the gift card is shown. The code will be emailed to the customer as well. Finally, at these places, you can ask and find answers to your questions. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.